Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 15 or newer and you have at least 5 GB free. This prevents install errors. Connect to stable Wi-Fi and charge the phone above 50% so the download won't stop. Open the App Store, confirm the Apple ID region matches the game's availability, then tap Download. Once downloaded, grant location, notifications, and microphone when prompted so multiplayer and voice chat work. After install completes, launch the game to reach the account screen. Now set up your account. Create a new game account or link an existing email, Apple, or Google ID so progression syncs. Once linked, enable cloud saves to protect progress and connect any cross-platform ID to access prior purchases. Adjust in-game graphics. Choose performance mode for smoother frame rates on older phones or high quality for visuals on newer devices. Pair a Bluetooth controller if you prefer. Go to iPhone settings, then Bluetooth. Press the controller pairing button and connect. Finally, complete the tutorial to unlock core mechanics. You're at the finish line. Start the first mission and practice combat until controls feel natural, then join a party or guild for better rewards and matchmaking. To optimize play, close background apps, disable low power mode, and set screen brightness manually. This reduces thermal throttling and improves FPS. If the app stutters or crashes, make sure iOS and the game are up to date, reboot the device, and reinstall the app if needed. If problems persist, gather logs and contact support with device model and iOS version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.